Down below now, it looks even worse than what I thought it would be. Here's, so it's just like an ocean. And I'm glad I didn't drive down here because it would be a bitch getting out probably. So if I had had my vapor barrier installed in these areas, it would look just like that. It would just be a pool of water. Let me see if I can get around this. I'm walking on these rocks again. Yeah, it's maybe like it's a little more solid here. So yeah, look at all this. This is, this is all washed down off of the road here. And so like I was saying, I have to take everything from here over here. That's all got to come out. So and then I'd made these thinking that this was going to be part of the parapet. I had extended this rebar up on both sides, so I'll have to just cut those off. And loads of fun. So, yep, is what it is. So I'll throw this on YouTube also. And I think I'm just gonna, it's going on 6 o'clock, so I'll probably go ahead and just get into my street clothes and head home. Okay, have a good one, guys.